Welcome to this video. In today's video, we're going to cover everything you need to know about using this powerful video creation platform to earn money online. We'll show you how to use Synthesia to create engaging and professional videos that can help you generate income, and provide tips and advice on how to get started. Whether you're a freelancer, content creator, or business owner, Synthesia can help you to unlock your creativity and reach your income goals. Before starting the video, if this video gives you a little bit of knowledge, then please subscribe my channel. So, let's get started. Synthesia AI is a platform that allows you to create videos using artificial intelligence, without the need for any filming equipment or a camera. With Synthesia AI, you can create videos without appearing on camera and even make money doing it. Here's how you can make money with Synthesia AI. First of all, if you want to earn money from Synthesia, so you should know how to use Synthesia. So here's the complete guide for how to use Synthesia. Here's a quick Synthesia tutorial. To begin, choose from a wide variety of fully customizable video templates. Then select your preferred AI avatar. No type in texting over 120 languages. And choose in a Russian style or local accent. Next, start editing your video. Easily change colors to match your brand identity and upload your logo or other brand assets that you can reuse for future videos. Alternatively, you can choose from a library of millions of royalty-free media assets such as videos, images, icons, and more. Add your text and position everything easily thanks for the snapping function, and if you need, you can also add a soundtrack. Record quick videos of your screen with a built-in screen recorder so you don't have to jump in between apps. Trim and crop your recording and adapt it to your scene. Animate elements by dropping markers in your script. It's an easy, satisfying, and super quick way to make your video look more professional. When you're ready for generate video and include or exclude automatic closed captions, share your video with your team to get feedback and add comments. If you need to make changes, simply edit your video, adjust it, and generate a new one in minutes. Finally, when your video is ready, you can download it, share it, or input it. Synthesia is an easy-to-use platform that can help you create professional-looking videos quickly and easily. By following these simple steps, you can create engaging videos for various purposes, including marketing, education, and entertainment. Now you have learned how to use Synthesia. Now we come to what are the topics on which you can earn money by making videos. With Synthesia AI, you can create videos without appearing on camera and even make money doing it. Here's how you can make money with Synthesia. Number 1. Create explainer videos. One of the best ways to make money with Synthesia AI is creating explainer videos for businesses. Many businesses need videos to explain their products or services, and they are willing to pay for high-quality videos. With Synthesia AI, you can create professional-looking explainer videos quickly and easily. You can charge businesses a fee for creating these videos. Number 2. Create marketing videos. Another way to make money with Synthesia AI is by creating marketing videos for businesses. Marketing videos are a great way to promote a business or a product, and many businesses are willing to pay for high-quality videos. With Synthesia AI, you can create engaging and informative marketing videos that can help businesses increase their sales. You can charge businesses a fee for creating these videos. Number 3. Create educational videos. If you have expertise in a particular subject, you can use Synthesia AI to create educational videos. Educational videos are a great way to share your knowledge with others and help them learn. You can create educational videos on a variety of topics and charge a fee for access to these videos. Number 4. Create video courses. Another way to make money with Synthesia AI is by creating video courses. Video courses are a great way to teach people a new skill or help them improve their knowledge. You can create video courses on a variety of topics and charge a fee for access to these courses. Number 5. Create custom videos. Finally, you can make money with Synthesia AI by creating custom videos for clients. Many businesses and individuals need videos for various purposes, and they are willing to pay for high-quality videos. With Synthesia AI, you can create custom videos that meet the specific needs of your clients. You can charge a fee for creating these videos. To know Synthesia in more detail, you can visit their official website. Synthesia website link is in the description of the video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. See you again.